Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is corn dog muffins, and I kind of hesitate to even call it a recipe because there's not much to it, but this is something really simple you can make for appetizers for a party or your kids' lunch. You just start off by taking some hot dogs, and I cut them into about 1-inch pieces, and you take 1 box of corn muffin mix, and you follow the instructions on the side. You add the mix, the egg, and the milk, and mix it up. And you also preheat it to what it says on the box. So it's super simple. I think I found this on Pinterest a long time ago, and I've been making it for Jackson's lunch occasionally whenever he goes to school. And of course made it for parties. Perfect little finger foods to serve for their birthday parties. So once I have all the ingredients in there, I'm going to break up the egg and mix it really well until everything's combined. And you are going to need a mini muffin pan. So the one that I have holds 12. So I have 2 mini muffin pans. So it will make 24. So here's my muffin pans. I sprayed them really well with nonstick spray, and I'm going to put about a scoop of the muffin mix into each one, filling it about 3/4 of the way full. Does not take much at all since they're so tiny. And then I'm going to push the hot dogs in the center. And that's all there is to it. Once all those are full, you bake them for about 12 minutes. They'll be lightly golden brown around the edge, and that's how you kind of know that they're done. And when they come out of the oven, they look like this. I let mine set for about 5 minutes before I try to removing them. Since it's cornbread, it's rather soft, and they can crumble if you do it too soon. And this is what they look like. So I always have a knife to run around the edges just to make sure nothing's sticking. And I kind of use that to gently lift up. And I normally will have maybe 3 that kind of get crumbly or the bottoms break off. And then I just eat those and the rest of them turn out fine that you can serve or use for lunch. If you guys want to check out the description box below, I'll have some more recipes for you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.